Welcome to VW Life, and today we're in Houston.
Yes, we're at the San Jacinto Monument for the Monumental Bug Bash. It's one of the greatest shows. It's located here on the historic San Jacinto battleground where Texas got its independence in 1836.
And there's Volkswagens.
Oh, there's lots of them, lots of Volkswagens. They're kind of like a kickoff of the real season here. It's early May, the weather's beautiful, and there are cars all over the place. There's a great raffle going on here. There's Hot Wheels for the kids, and there's a chance to win a 1960 ragtop.
That's right. We're at the Monumental Bug Bash here in LaPorte, Texas, and they're going to raffle off a car, and we're going to take it home today.
Well, that's right. We've all put, everybody, oh, there's the winner tickets right there. Everybody's going to take it home. So that's the best thing about when you have a car that you're raffling off. Everybody gets so excited. And it's like, we're going to win it, we're going to win it, we're going to win it. So that's what we're looking for today.
So we're going to show you all the cars. We're going to go talk to Dave, the organizer, and we're going to have some fun today. And you're going to join us today.
Bay Area Dave, let's go find him. He's a busy guy today.
Yes, let's go.
Okay, everybody. We are with the man, the myth, and truly the legend. This is Bay Area Dave.
Howdy.
The guy who is responsible for today. Dave, how's it going, sir?
Pretty good so far. We're packing them in. We're having to do creative parking, of course, but I want everybody to know that I did a naked anti-rain dance the other day to have a beautiful day today, and as you can see, it worked.
It did.
So I'm hoping everybody that has Volkswagen come out, enjoy the day, catch up with people. It's been 2 long years since we've not had the show here. Get out, visit, catch up, see old friends, reconnect, and just have a good time.
Tell us a little bit about the history here on the Monumental Bug Bash.
The Monumental Bug Bash, we started this show back in 1990. The first show was at the Mexican encampment, was just south of here, and it has blossomed into what you see now. We've moved it up to around the base of the monument. Everybody's familiar with the monument. Those that come to the monument and are not familiar with the bug show come out and say, oh, what an additional surprise. Let's go check out the bugs, talk to the people. Expand the audience of the Volkswagens per se, and we're now at our 31st show here, and it's grown into just a big show here in the Southeast. And my big thing is I truly get to visit with everybody. That's my thing. Mr. PR, yes, go talk to everybody, see how. Yeah, I know. But it's just great to see everybody coming out and having a good time.
Tell us a little bit, I mean, from just a logistical standpoint, this is on state property. You got some connections there.
I do. I have Andy Smith is the new superintendent, along with Shane Fugue, which I've known since he was in diapers, and his mother was my old CCD teacher. I picked up the phone when the governor lifted restrictions. They said, come on, just need you to fill out this 13-question questionnaire, and you're good to go. So, and which now brings us to, I guess, the focal point of the show, which is the 1960 ragtop bug. It is a true ragtop, not grafted in, and it will go to a new owner after it's been in our possession for 2 years. It has been a labor of love, a labor of, I guess, not hate or disdain, but patience.
So who is this, the show, or this is y'all's club, right?
It's the club,
and
the Bay Area Volkswagen Club.
Okay, just want to make sure we
the proceeds do go towards the monument. We donate thousands of dollars back to the park, which enables us to have the show here every year. You could say it kind of greases the skids for us. So in essence, it does.
Sure.
But the biggest draw is the ragtop bug. We've done it for a few years now. I think this might be our last one, so we want to go out with a bang with a true ragtop bug.
Well, you did for sure. I just want to tell you how much we appreciate you doing this. I know how much work it goes into putting on a show, and especially with all the stuff we've been dealing with the last couple of years, or year or so, especially. And I want you just to take a second and look at this place. There's nothing but smiles and happy people, and this place is packed, and that's what it's all about.
I'm ready to get out there and enjoy the day, and I think everybody is too.
Well, we are so happy for you to have us.
Thank you, Gary.
It's all thank you, Gary. What's your name?
Alejandro.
Alejandro. I'm here with Alejandro. He has a 57 oval, and this thing's been sitting for how long?
Like 43 years.
43 years. You found it. It's been sitting since 1977. Where did you find it?
I just found it. And
Just found it,
Yeah.
huh? Was it in a barn or
Yeah.
it's like, wow, in Texas?
yeah, in Texas, in Tyler, Texas.
Well, Gary and Martin, the elevator broke.
Yes, people were not able to get to the top. We came this close to being trapped.
We were right there, ready to go, and they said, "Sorry, folks."
Sorry, folks, park's closed.
Nobody funds.
We wanted to go up
nobody
there. Yeah.
All right, everybody, I'm here with Casey and Cindy, and you guys have a very interesting bus. Tell us a little bit about it. First of all, a little backstory here. It's Casey's bus, and
It's all mine.
yeah.
My whole idea.
Yeah. No. Casey was trying to cut credit, but no, he did the right thing. He said, no, really and truly, it's Cindy's. He's the wrench turner, right? So tell us about your bus because it's really cool.
It's 1959. We've had it for maybe 2.5, 3 years.
Oh, pretty new, huh?
Yeah.
Where'd y'all find it?
In Florida.
Jacksonville.
Yeah.
Okay.
We drove it around like that. It was the old original colors, and then I got tired of seeing like on social media everybody's mango looking the same. So
Right.
I wanted something a little different. He was like, "Are you kidding me? You want checkerboard?"
So the checkerboard roof was your idea?
Oh yeah, I fought her every bit
You
of the
did?
way. Yeah,
Oh,
I'm like,
that's
no
too
way.
He's like,
man.
"That's so ugly. It's gonna be hot in the summer. You don't want a black roof." And I was like, "Okay, we'll break it up. We'll do checkerboard."
That's it. That works,
Sorry.
right? So what else things have y'all had to done to it since?
Oh,
you
swapped
picked
the
it up?
motor out. Had the transmission rebuilt from Ben at Benco out on the Riverside.
Okay.
It's
Right
a
now.
1776.
Okay, little
Yeah.
76. Okay. So a little bit about the interior.
Yeah.
Well, I tried to find something that would match the checkerboard roof, so I did kind of a checkerboard carbon fiber fabric on the panels.
Nice.
Kinda
Nice.
pull it
And
all
did you come
together.
up with that yourself? And
Yeah.
you found it?
Sure did, yeah. And the curtains, she made the curtains herself. If you look at the inside, they got little Coleman lanterns on there that's mango. So it kind of matches on the inside.
Awesome.
The inside's not done yet. We still got to fabricate the, get the rock and roll bed going. Have the seats made. The front seat's gonna get redone.
Right.
It's getting there.
It's getting there.
It's gonna be a little new style, but
I like it.
practical for go camping.
So y'all do use it for camping?
we
Yeah.
used to when
Yes.
she was before we tore her apart. Yeah.
Right.
And the
So
paint job is from Kevin McCain, Rusty Volks up in Colorado.
and that's and so okay.
He's really good.
So what started this whole conversation is the left quarter. Tell us the story.
Last Friday we were going to a show in Corpus. The Corpus
This
Christi.
was just last Friday.
Last Friday.
Oh
It's fresh,
my gosh!
yeah.
I had 6 miles on it.
The metal work and paint was done by Kevin, and we put everything else together on it. And yeah, we got like 6 miles on it. Going down Ocean Drive, not even far from our house, like 5 miles from the house, and some lady pulled out, older lady, and she
just didn't see y'all. Huh?
She thought she had a turning lane also.
she thought she had a
so
lane. She thought she had a lane, but she
Came
didn't.
out in oncoming
So I
traffic
verged
and
to the right, almost to another car, when she just clipped the back corner, and then my
Could've been a lot
bumper
worse
caught
if
her
he hadn't
fender.
scooted
ripped her-
over.
Yeah, it could be
Would've
worse.
been the whole
It
left
could be
side if
worse.
he hadn't have moved over.
What's the plan? I mean, you can't let's just drop it off at Grand Junction. I mean, that's a
Yeah.
little bit away from here. So
Well, my single cap's up right now getting metal work done by him. My 54 single cap, so that's almost done. We go pick that up. We'll
Do a
drop
switcheroo.
that off, and so we think we should go move to Colorado. What do you think?
Yeah.
hey, I will say this: it's a lot cooler than Corpus. Yes. Hey, thank y'all so much for
Hey,
your
no
time.
problem,
I
no
really
problem.
appreciate it,
No
y'all. Thanks
problem.
for sharing about your bus. Does your bus have a name?
Journey.
Journey. All right, right on. I like it. I love it. Love it.
All
And,
about the journey.
that's good. It's all about the journey.
Including
That
the
is
dance.
right. That's right.
What did you win, Gil?
I think he's got cookie for Cocoa Puffs.
Yes!
The one you got.
Thank you.
828-988.
Winner, winner, Volkswagen dinner. Again, Mr. Lucky. Look at that.
Well, there you go.
Chicken dinner winner.
That's the show winner. And for Texas and America and getting back together.
Nervous
out here.
clapping.
All right, we're ready.
Okay, the winner of the 1960 Ragtop Beetle, Eric Younger.
Whoa, where is it? Where is it? Where is it?
We didn't win.
We did not win. But you know
Alright.
what? That fella, I mean, the look on somebody's face when you win a Volkswagen at a show like that, it's priceless.
Good
It
for
really
him. Good for him.
Yeah, good for him.
Congratulations.
Congratulations to Bay Area Dave and all the Monumental Bug Bash this year was just absolutely stunning. Look at the cars are packed in here. The people are happy. It's been a beautiful day.
It has.
The 60 Ragtop is wonderful. It's just so cool for everybody.
Yep.
It's just a great day. Hope you guys have enjoyed hanging out with us today. What a great show. If you ever get a chance, come down to the Monumental Bug Bash. It's usually the first weekend in May down here in Houston. What a great show.
Make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.
Yes, tell your aunts, tell your uncles, tell everybody you know about VW Life. We do this for you, the VW community. We'll see you guys.